Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create the web text effect in CapCut. For example, select default text, and you can adjust for duration to some length. Okay, text and change for text. Alright, go to animation, select loop and select web 3. Adjust for speed. Alright, I'm going to so you can see for the final result like this. Alright, yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.